Hi everyone, and welcome to day 4 of our Vlogmas series where I'm sharing one recipe every day leading up to Christmas. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this dirty chocolate cake. This is one recipe you definitely want to save for later, so you can make this for yourself or for your friends. To make this, start by combining all the wet ingredients. So here I've added some buttermilk and Baileys. The Baileys is what makes this cake a dirty chocolate cake. I also added some water, 1 egg, oil, vanilla, and the sugar. Mix all the wet ingredients very well until it's combined. You can also make this without using the Baileys. Just skip the Baileys and substitute with water or milk. After everything is well combined, go ahead and add some all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Give this a quick mix and make sure you sift your flour and cocoa powder before adding it to the mixture. Immediately the wet and the dry ingredients come together, stop mixing so you don't overwork the mixture so the cake doesn't become tough. Next, go ahead and prepare your baking dish. I'm using a loaf pan for this, and I just lined the loaf pan with parchment paper so the cake doesn't stick. You can also use non-stick spray if you like. Go ahead and bake this for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. You can test if the cake is ready by inserting a toothpick at the middle, and if it comes out clean, then the cake is fully cooked. Go ahead and let the cake cool completely while we make the glaze. For the glaze, we'll need some powdered sugar and cocoa powder. Go ahead and sift this, and we're doing this so the glaze doesn't have any lumps. After sifting, add some milk. You can use regular milk or you can use heavy cream. It depends on how rich you want the glaze to be. I'm also adding some Baileys or Irish cream to the glaze, but like I mentioned with the cake, if you're making the non-alcoholic version, you can replace the Baileys with milk or cream. Mix until it comes together and then use this to glaze the cake. If you want your glaze a bit thicker, you can reduce the liquid. If you like it thinner, then you can of course add more milk or cream. Also, you want to make sure that the cake is completely cooled down before adding the glaze. And if you prefer, you can also just skip the glaze entirely. I'm going to cut into the cake so you see what it looks like on the inside. The cake came out really well. It's super rich and moist, and it's going to make a really great addition to your parties and get-togethers. Let me know if you do make this. If you have any questions about this recipe, do not hesitate to leave me a comment or send me a DM on Instagram. My Instagram name is Kiki Foodies. That's it for day 4. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.